Can you hear me? Am I audible? All right. Chalo now. So get your awareness skill book now. Okay. So in your awareness skill book, you have to open page number 26. Page number 26. Okay. So today we are going to learn about small insects. Insects. Everyone, I'm writing the book name and the page number in the chat box. In case of any doubt, now you kindly see there. Your awareness skill book. Page number 26. Okay. Chalo. So, come on, everyone, look in your book. Look at your book. So, kids, as you can see here, in our earlier classes, we had learned about animals, है ना? हमने हमारे previous classes में animals के बारे में पढ़ा था. Animals क्या होते हैं? जानवर जो होते हैं. As we step out of our house, we can see different type of animals around us. या जंगल में हम जाते हैं तो there are also we can see different kinds of wild animal. तो हम लोगों ने animals के बारे में पढ़ा था. तो insects are the small animals. Okay, ये जो insects हैं, these are small animals. इंसेक्ट्स को स्मॉल एनिमल्स कहते हैं. इंसेक्ट्स मतलब जो छोटे छोटे जानवर होते हैं उनको कहते हैं इंसेक्ट्स. लाइक एंट, चीटी, कॉकरोच. देखा है कॉकरोच से डर लगता है? सो कॉकरोच. देन दिस इज लेडी बर्ड. लेडी बर्ड. दिस इज honeybee. These all are small animals known as insects. ये सारे छोटे छोटे जानवर हैं, animals हैं, small animals. इनको हम कहेंगे insects. These are known as insects. So, as we can see, mosquitoes are there. Housefly मक्खी होती हैं, मच्छर होते हैं, cockroaches होते हैं. Then we can see ant, चींटियां होती हैं. तो ये सारी चीजें, these all are small insects. Okay, these all are small animals known as insects. Just a minute. So sorry for the inconvenience. Yes, so we are talking about the insects. Insects, ठीक है? So insects are the small animals. मैम ने जैसे आपको बताया, insects animals होते हैं, पर छोटे छोटे animals होते हैं. जैसे चींटी, ant, cockroach, ladybird, honeybee. Honeybee मतलब मधुमक्खी. Then grasshopper. This we can see mostly in rainy season. Rainy season ये सब आते हैं तो grasshopper ज्यादा देखने को मिलते हैं. It's a green color insect. Grasshopper इसलिए कहते हैं, hope मतलब होता है jump करना, और ये जो grasshopper है ये भी jump करता है. That is why it's known as grasshopper. And the last one is mosquito. This is so very familiar with us, है ना? Mosquitoes. So these all small animals come under the category of insects. ठीक है? कौन कौन से हैं? Let's revise it one more time. Ant, चींटी, cockroach, then ladybird, honeybee, मधुमक्खी, then grasshopper, and the last one is mosquito, machhar. Okay, so these are small insects. Now, kids, this page is for homework. You have to only count the legs of ladybug and write down the correct number here. All right? This is for homework. You have to count the legs of the ladybird and you have to write down here कि how many legs ladybird has. Okay? Chalo, all right. Now, let's move to our next work. Close your awareness skill book. Now we are going to do our English work. So what we are doing in English? You let me know. हम English में क्या कर रहे थे? क्या कर रहे थे English में? We are learning 2-letter words. Yes. So first of all, before moving towards the 2-letter words, let's revise the vowels and consonants. So tell me how many vowels are there? How many vowels? There are 5 vowels. How many vowels? There are 5 vowels. जितनी हमारे हाथ में फिंगर्स है उतने vowels हैं. 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. And the rest are known as consonant. जो बाकी के लेटर्स बचे हैं वो कॉन्सोनेंट कहलाते हैं. लेटर A to Z में there are 26 letters. उनमें से सिर्फ 5 letters are known as vowels और बाकी के सब consonant. The rest are known as consonant. Okay. So we are learning 2-letter words of vowel sound. So we had completed A vowel sound word, E vowel sound word and I vowel sound word. तो आज हम कौन से vowel sound word करेंगे? Which vowel we are going to do? Which vowel sound word we are going to do? A हमने कर लिया, A is completed, E and I we had done. So today we are going to do O vowel sound word. 2-letter words of O sound. 2-letter words of O sound. All right, chalo. Come on, everyone, get your copy and write down today's date fast. So write down today's date. The date is 29/9/2021. So let's start. Heading you have to write letter words of O sound. Okay, chalo. So let's start. Shall we start? Come on. O plus T. O plus T. The first word is OT, ought. O says O, T says T. So O, T, ought. Ought. O, T, ought. You have to write it three times, okay? O, T, ought. Number 2 is O plus N. So what is the sound of O? O says O and N says N. तो हम क्या पढ़ेंगे? O, N, on. O, N, on. say and write 2-letter words of O sound. O का sound होता है O, और if we add N with O, तो N says न, on, it becomes on. Then number 3 is O, P. So O says O and P says P. तो क्या हो जाएगा? O, P, op. O, P, op. Op. O, P, op. Say and write. Read and write, everyone. Whatever you are writing now, you have to read it first and then write. Anaisha, how you are sitting? Anaisha, sit properly. Fold your legs and sit. You are sitting in the class. And where are the uniforms? Mothers, where are the uniforms? This is their class only. अगर अभी स्कूल आ रहे होते तो कलर ड्रेस में आते. Then you have to sit after wearing uniform only. 4. Number 4 is O plus G. O, G says G. O, G, og. O, G, og. So you have to write it 3 times. Write in a straight line and write down neatly. In case of any doubt, kindly ask me any doubt, any query. Formation, sound, phonic sound related to phonic sound, if you are having, you can ask me anytime. Kindly feel free to ask me. Number 5. O, B. O, B. Ob. O, B. Ob. O, B. Ob. Ob. And number 6 is O plus F. O plus F. O says O, F says F, of, O, F. O, F, of. Okay. OT, ought, ON, on, OP, op, OG, og, then OB, ob, and OF, off. Yes.